Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a topic that I'm sure a lot of you are interested in. How well does Deel pay? Deel is a global payroll and HR platform that allows companies to hire and pay employees in over 150 countries. They're a relatively new company, but they've already grown to become one of the most popular platforms for remote work. So how well does Deel pay? Well, the answer is that it depends on a number of factors, including the country you're working in, the type of job you have, your experience level. In this video, I'm going to share some of the insights I've gained from working with Deel over the past few years. I'll also talk about some of the pros and cons of using Deel to get paid. Deel's pay structure. Deel uses a tiered pay structure, which means that the amount you get paid will depend on your experience level. There are 4 tiers in total. Tier 1, entry level. Tier 2, mid-level. Tier 3, senior level. Tier 4, executive level. The exact amount you'll get paid will also depend on the country you're working in. Deel has a global salary database that they use to determine the average salary for different jobs in different countries. Deel's benefits. In addition to competitive pay, Deel also offers a number of other benefits to its employees, including health insurance, dental insurance, vision insurance, life insurance, disability insurance. 1. Peachesandblush.com. Peachesandblush.com. Paid time off, parental leave, flexible work schedule, remote work option. Deel's cons. There are also a few downsides to using Deel to get paid. One of the biggest drawbacks is that Deel charges a fee for each transaction. This fee can be significant, especially if you're getting paid a lot of money. Another downside is that Deel can be slow to process payments. This can be frustrating if you're waiting for your paycheck to come in. Pros and cons of using Deel to get paid. Pros: competitive pay, excellent benefits, flexible work schedule, remote work option, global reach. Cons: fees, slow payment processing. So how well does Deel pay? Overall, I think that Deel is a great option for people who are looking for a remote job with a competitive salary and benefits package. However, it's important to be aware of the fees and slow payment processing before you decide to use Deel. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions about Deel, please feel free to leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on remote work and other topics.